Hey Gleek.io fans! Creating a sequence diagram for an online food ordering system is a great way to visualize interactions between a customer, the system, and other involved entities. Let's create this diagram using Gleek app. First, launch app.gleek.io in your browser, click to a new diagram button and select Sequence Diagram from the dropdown. We'll start by adding our first interaction. The customer selects a restaurant. Type customer, then dash, type selects restaurant, arrow, and connect it to online food ordering system. Next, the online food ordering system needs to fetch the menu from the restaurant database. Type online food ordering system, then dash, type fetches menu, arrow, plus sign, and restaurant database. Adding a plus sign will display an activation bar on the restaurant database actor. The restaurant database then returns the menu back to the online food ordering system. Type restaurant database, then dash, type returns menu, arrow, minus sign, and connect it to online food ordering system. Here, we add a minus sign to deactivate the activation bar. Now, the online food ordering system displays the menu to the customer. Type online food ordering system, then dash, type displays menu, arrow, and connect it to customer. The customer decides what to order and places the order with the online food ordering system. Start with customer, then type dash, places order, arrow, and connect it to online food ordering system. The online food ordering system then sends this order to the restaurant. Type online food ordering system, then dash, type sends order, arrow, plus sign, and restaurant. The restaurant confirms the order and sends this confirmation back to the online food ordering system. Start with typing restaurant, dash, confirms order, arrow, then minus sign to deactivate the activation bar, and connect it to online food ordering system. The online food ordering system then sends this order confirmation to the customer. Type online food ordering system, then dash, type sends confirmation, arrow, and connect it to customer. Next, the customer makes a payment. We show this by the customer sending a payment action to the online food ordering system. Add customer, dash, then type makes payment, arrow, and connect it to online food ordering system. The online food ordering system then confirms this payment with the payment gateway. Type online food ordering system, then dash, type confirms payment, arrow, plus sign to display an activation bar, and connect it to payment gateway. The payment gateway verifies the payment and returns the verification to the online food ordering system. Add payment gateway, dash, then type verifies payment, arrow, minus sign, and connect it to online food ordering system. After that, the online food ordering system sends a payment confirmation back to the customer. Type online food ordering system, then dash, type sends payment confirmation, arrow, and connect it to customer. The online food ordering system then assigns the delivery person. Start with online food ordering system, then type dash, assigns, arrow, and connect it to delivery person. The restaurant then gives the order to delivery person. Type restaurant, then dash, type gives order, arrow, and connect it to delivery person. Finally, the customer receives the order from the delivery person. We show this with an arrow from the delivery person to the customer. Start with delivery person, then type dash, delivers order, arrow, and connect it to customer. To add more clarity, include notes for the customer's actions. For selecting a restaurant and placing an order, type customer needs to select a restaurant and place an order, then use the note syntax. Type 2 dots, note, dash, dash, and customer. To add the second note to the customer, type Customer needs to make payment after placing order, then use the same note syntax. And that's it. This step-by-step guide helps you create a detailed sequence diagram for an online food ordering system in Gleek.io. This visualization helps understand the flow of interactions between the customer, the system, and other entities involved in the process. Don't forget to check out other tutorials and explore the big template gallery available on Gleek.io. Try out Gleek today for all your diagramming needs. Happy diagramming!